Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Thursdays, and let's get right into it. So, 5:30, we had unemployment news come out. We also had some news regarding, what do you call it? Let me just bring it up. Well, long story short, we had news drop at 5:30, and as you could see exactly what happened at 5:30, price came up to the zone, took a sell off of the zone, rejection, took another sell off of the zone, big rejection, and you could see every time it's basically got into the zone, it's fallen off. So right now, at 5:30, we had a big push up, made it look like it was going to continue to push after breaking these highs, and what did it do? Boom, fell. One thing I do see is I do still see it respecting this trend line here inside of the 4-hour R2S. You can see the R2S right here is kind of respecting it right now. So I kind of want to take the trade under because we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So I'm expecting it to respect this area again. I did have a trade after price broke through here. I kind of just put a sell in, wrote it down to here. My runner got stopped out, but I did enter another position. I did. So I have a position in right now. I'll show you guys where I'm at with it, but you can see that we're kind of just been ranging, right? Well, this whole week we've been ranging, right? Since Monday, essentially Tuesday, yeah, since Tuesday, we've been ranging up in here, and there's a good chance it could push up right here. I just, I, I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to say because it is just ranging in here, right? So I think we could see it push up and fall off again, or I think we could just see it fly up to the next phase, right? Like up to the next level here. So we're kind of going to have to play it by ear. But, you know, the more I look at it, I kind of don't like my sell in here. Just the more I look at it, because it's starting to build up, right? Only thing we got going for us is that price stopped me out at break even here. And then I entered another sell. Oh wait, go to 1 minute. Yeah, so we're in the trade right now. Let me see how many. I'm hoping it can push through, but the one thing I don't like is that the EMA is on the bottom, which I don't like. The 1 minute here, 5 minute. The EMA for the 5 minute is basically right there, right? So go ahead and put this in here. This kind of using it as support. So I'm hoping we see the fall off right here. Got about a 50 pip stop loss, just like right there. I'm in at 511, so I'm about 10 pips in the profit. Yeah, that's about right. So you can see it coming down. 50 pip stop loss. Says I'm at 13 pips, 499, 11 pips, somewhere around here. So I'm hoping that, you know, in 4 minutes, when the time comes up, that we see this push down, which would make it, you know, a clean trade to the downside, which it looks like with that engulfing candle here, but you never know what open. So, did I catch on this side? I basically caught 82, one trade, and then pulled some positions at 50 pips, 60 pips, so about 81 pips. So that's basically got it pretty smooth here. Let's see if we can get this trade to come down, though. That's really where I'm at with it. See if we can get the trade to come down, and you know, if we could get this to move down about just below here, just below this area here, so like here, 427, then we could think about 427, that's 50 pips away. Yeah, I'm probably gonna move my thing into profit before then. I'd say around 30, 40 pips. I'm gonna move it into break even. Move my stop loss into break even, and we'll see how it plays out. So I've already made some money on about 500 on this right here, so we'll see what it gives us right here. And my goal is to take this down to the downside, this level here, break through and finally break. Well, actually we got a long way to break. Gotta get through here, but I would have take profit at about, for sure, 100 pips. Well, you know we're gonna take profit along the way, and I'll let you know. I think right here is gonna be our total take profit, 185, and we'll see what it gives us. Alright, we've got about 2 minutes till open. We did miss the main move, but let's see if we can recover right here and keep this thing going to the downside. So you can see that 5-minute somewhat being respected, but 41 seconds left. They can push up and break through here and get out of here. So 5 minutes there. Yeah, we want this 5 minutes to finish down here. So, you know, just before open, that'll give us like a strong sense of where it's going. But it needs to finish down here, sure, for sure. See if it can. Yeah, this was the move right here, though. So we got it right here. Pips. Is down 180 pips. We would have been done easy for the day. So see if it can keep that though. Still 30 seconds left in the clock. So on this 1 minute. So we need it to come down here. If it can come down here, we might see a little retracement back up, but it needs to finish down here. You see it finish down here, we're in business. Like right here would be good, and I'd be happy with this. But again, 14 seconds left. It could fly up on us. So let's see. I like that. Okay. Come down. About it's coming up. Wow. Don't want to see that. You could definitely see buyers trying to get into the market. I succeed. Yeah, if this candle finishes up here, then it's not looking good. Not looking good at all. I'm trying to trust that the 5 minutes being respected, so we'll see. Oh no. Gotta take me out. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't, but it looks like it might. I just added a little position. We'll see if it takes me out or keeps us in. Come on, come down. Come down. Oh, come on. Let's go. See if it could come down from here. Okay. I'm gonna take some profits at around right about 40 pips right now. I'm gonna take some at 50 pips on my bottom position right there. See if it can get down there. Alright, I'm gonna take some profit right now. Just pulled some profit. Moving my stops to break even now in both trades. $5.30. I'm about 4 pips in the profit. Oh no, big push. Oh no. Shit, that shit flew up on me. Should've just took the whole shit. I just got stopped out of my bottom position. I took at least some profit. Damn, it's fully engulfed on the 1 minute. Still got 47 seconds, so let's see what it does right here. I'm at break even. I got my stop loss at 5.30. It's about 10 pips, 20 pips away from there. 15. Damn, can't believe that. Yeah, I got my stop loss at 5.30. I'm in at 5.34.55. So we're only up about 20 pips right now. Oh, 10 pips. It's moving pretty fucking volatile, I'll tell you that much. Just not sure if it's gonna go our way. So I took a third of my profits at 460. So that was about 51 pips on my bottom position. Um, I mean, it's still respecting it. So let's see if we can continue to go to the downside. I mean, I'm happy with the profits today, so we'll see. See if we can stay down here. It's still early in the clock, right? Super early in the clock, so this could flip on us and come up. Wow. As soon as I say it, huh? Let's see this one. 1 minute looks nice. That big golfing candle, but after that big move right here at 5:30, you can just continue to do this. And as long as it's respecting this, it could continue to go up, right? Thinking about taking more profit. I want to see if I can get to 100 pips. Pretty close. Damn it, I don't think I got it. Close to it. I just closed some more profit. Um, $60 pips. So I need $60 to get to a rack. So I'm gonna move my profit 20 pips. I have a 0.03 lift, 20 pips in the profit. So about like 25 pips, about 510. So I'm gonna make 1,000 a day no matter what. I'm up about 230 right now, 230, 240, and I'm gonna let this run. We'll see what it gives us from here. Pulling up on us. So I'm like, we hit 100 pips, but no way. Well, we'll see. I'm about 25 pips in the profit, so I got my TP or my stop loss at 510. We'll see what if it stays below, because that's a big spike right there. Yeah. We'll see what's what. Damn, that should stop me out. Oh, wait. Oh no, my bad. I'm tripping. Um, got in. Remember, I added a position. Got pretty fucking close though. And 3 times 60. Yeah, it is about right. Stops from here. We'll see if we could take it. This is closed. Oh yeah, this one got stopped out. Break even. Oh no, I took 50 pips. Then it got stopped out. And we came back right here to stop me out. See if we can come through. Again, the reason I'm holding it, this right here, this line, this baby blue line, that's a 4-hour R2S. This area has been respected multiple times, right? Then we had the 5-minute 50 EMA, right? And that's after the fact. So the main reason is at 5:30, had a break of structure, broke these lows, right? And once it broke below the 4-hour R2S, I was able to hop in and take this thing down to the downside. And shit's kind of consolidating. See that? Right? Well, it's respecting this, which I don't like. Um, wow. It might flip on us now that I see it. It just might stop me out. Alright, well, I got stopped out. Break even. Oh, 20 pips. Well, I was able to secure some profits at, you know, what, 100 pips, 98 pips, 99 pips. And I got it right there. Pretty good. And I was stopped out. So those were essentially the trades for the day. This got stopped. Took some profit here, 80 pips, got stopped out at break even, took some profit here. And the reason I took profit, at these areas was just because we had this trend line that's being respected pretty well, right? Respected. Yeah, it does look like we got the engulfing candle to get on top of the 15-minute 50 EMA, and we had to come back, retest the 15-minute 50 EMA. It's possible it could go up on us, but we're just not sure right now. I mean, it's still respecting it. If it comes down again, I'm gonna be pissed, but I'm gonna just call it a day. Um, you know, uh, it could go up, it could go down. It's kind of stuck in this little thing where I think today is a big day. I just got stopped out at break even. Whoops. I just got stopped out at break, well, 20 pips into profit. I was hoping to continue down, but this right here is a trend line that's been forming on the, no way it's gonna come down again. I mean, it could come down. We've had the news come out today. That wasn't the best for the economy. So I was expecting it to come down, but I just was stopped out at my stop loss in the profit. And yeah, so I'm not going to trade anymore for the day. But damn, looks like it's coming down. All right, we'll see right now though. And that should just stop me out at break even, what, 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. And it's still showing respect to my zone, to the area. Took that trade like 5:45 right after I missed the tap up there. Then I took this trade pre-NY, was able to write that down, stopped out at break even after taking some profit, hopped in again, added a position when it pushed up on me, and I took profits again at that area, and I had a .03 runner, which was eventually stopped out right there, but oh shit, maybe it was a good thing. But that's why you move your stops to break even, because you'd hate to be in profit and then lose it all, and then lose money. So, man, I ain't gonna lie. I thought the news was gonna make sure that price came down, and it still could at 7 o'clock. Maybe it heads back up to that area and falls, or maybe it goes up and continues to push up. So we'll see. Was able to make money here, just not being too greedy, taking profits, and it added up. So I wish I would have took more profits because I left, a few $100s on the table, but it's all gravy. We got 7 o'clock news coming out now after that 5:30 news that made that drop and break of structure. So we'll see what the market gives us. And yeah, 7 o'clock, I'm not going to trade anymore for the day, but I definitely want to see what the market does at 7 with the new existing home sales. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Have a good one.